right, welcome to Module 2, all about the setup process for Google Shopping. So in Module 2, we're going to cover 6 sections. So we're going to talk about how everything sort of fits together, going from the product on your Shopify website to actually getting a click and traffic, sort of how the whole ecosystem works together. Section 2 is going to be about just how to create an AdWords account. I'm going to go step by step, going to show you how to create that AdWords account. Step 3 is very important and often overlooked. I can't tell you how many companies that I audit their account, review their account, they forgot to set up conversion tracking. There's no way to track your performance unless you have conversion tracking installed. So section 3 is going to walk you through how to set up that AdWords conversion tracking in Shopify. Section 4 is going to be about setting up your Merchant Center account. 5 is going to be how to create a product feed in Shopify. So 6 is just really going to be talking about diagnosing common errors. There can be a lot of errors in Google Shopping, and it's important to sort of slowly work through those and not get too worried. Google is always available to sort of help you as well through those, but I'll go over some of the main ones I see. So module 2.1, how everything fits together, product to click. So there are sort of 5 buckets of things to consider. Of course, you'll have your Shopify site with SSL, which comes by default. You'll have your checkout, everything sort of set up there through Shopify. Well, then you have to get your product data into a data feed. So now that data feed can be created manual, it can be created through any number of tools. In this case, we're going to be using the Google Shopping app from Shopify. But the data feed is the next thing to consider. That's sort of the next bucket. Now, once you have that data feed, now in our case, again, we're going to be using the Shopify app, so it's going to automatically sync to Merchant Center. But once you have that data feed, it goes into Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center is sort of the platform that bridges your data feed to Google AdWords. So it's pretty simple. I'll go over that in detail. Now, Google AdWords, of course, it connects to Google Merchant Center. Google AdWords is where you're creating the ads. So Merchant Center feeds that product data and all this, your settings and everything into Google AdWords and says, here's your catalog. And then Google AdWords uses that catalog to run ads. Now, like I said, once you create those campaigns, that allows you to have a Google Shopping ad on Google. So that's sort of the high-level ecosystem. Now, to confuse you even more, I'm going to go over this in a little different order because the order that you see here will sort of make a more logical sense in the setup process. So first, we're going to do the Google AdWords account. Next, the Google Merchant Center account. Next, the data feed, and then finally come back and create the Google Shopping campaign. So this will sort of be this is sort of an overview of everything, and these 4 steps will be the 4 steps in creating your first Google Shopping campaign. So that concludes module 2.1. Next up will be module 2.2.